Hello everyone, here I am going to share with you some important information about the deleted academic curriculum for the session 2020-2021 by CBSE board for classes 9 and 10 of subject science. So the heads of the school and teachers may ensure that the topics that have been reduced are also explained to the students to the extent required to connect different topics. However, the deducted syllabus will not be part of the topics for internal assessments and year-end board examination. Alternative academic calendar and inputs for the NCERT of transaction the curriculum using different strategies may also be a part of teaching pedagogy. So here I am going to explain you the details of deleted portion theory from class 9 of subject science. Subject code is 086. Under unit number 1, matter, nature and behavior, there is a lesson that is matter in our surroundings, and from the lesson we can see here definition of matter, solid, liquid and gas, characteristics, shape, volume, density, change of state, melting, absorption of heat, freezing, evaporation, cooling by evaporation, condensation and sublimation. All these parts have been deleted. Under second unit, organization in the living world, you can see here the name of the lesson is diversity in living organisms, and the part which has been deleted is diversity of plants and animals, basis issues in scientific naming, basis of classification, hierarchy of categories, groups, major groups of plants, silent features, major groups of animals, etc. Under unit number 3, motion, force and work, the concept is flotation and sound. Under flotation, the deleted part is thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, buoyancy, elementary idea of relative density. Under sound concept, the deleted part is nature of sound and its propagation in various media, speed of sound, range of hearing in humans, ultrasound, reflection of sound, echo and sonar, structure of the human ear, auditory aspect only. Under unit number 5, food production, improvement in food resources, the deleted part is plant and animal breeding and selection for quality improvement and management, use of fertilizers and manures, protection from pests and diseases, organic farming. Some deleted practicals also have mentioned here. There are total 7 number of practicals which have been deleted from the syllabus, and the first practical is separation of the components of a mixture of sand, common salt and ammonium chloride or camphor. The second practical is determination of the melting point of ice and the boiling point of water. The third practical which has been deleted is verification of laws of reflection of sound. The fourth one we can see here determination of the speed of pulse propagated through the stretch string slinky helical spring. The fifth practical which has been deleted we can see here study of the characteristics of Spirogyra, agaricus, moss, fern and gave 2 identifying features of the groups they belong to. The next sixth one practical which has been deleted is observe the given pictures or charts or models of earthworm, cockroach, bonyfish and bird, and for each organism draw the pictures and record the following observation. The first observation, one specific feature of its phylum, and the second one is one adaptive feature with reference to its habitat. The seventh practical which has been deleted is study of the external features of root, stem, leaf and flower of monocot and dicot plants. So these are the practicals which have been deleted from the syllabus for class 9, and now we'll discuss about some little part of internal assessment which have been deleted. The natural resources, balance in nature, unit number 4 will come under internal assessment, that is our environment, and under this physical resources, air, water, soil, air of respiration, for combustion, for moderating temperatures, movements of air, and its role is bringing rains across India, air, water and soil pollution, brief introduction, holes in ozone layer and the probable damages. This portion have been deleted. Biogeochemical cycle in nature, water, oxygen, carbon and nitrogen. These factors have been deleted. So this is about the details of class 9 which have been deleted from the NCERT syllabus for this academic session 2020-2021.